I'm about to show you how to travel the Philippines, where you can do everything from swimming in the ocean with sardines to climbing a mountain and seeing the most beautiful sunrise. I recommend going down to Moalboal to go snorkeling and swimming with the sardines. This is a very unique experience. It's like a million sardines just surround you. After you finish snorkeling in the ocean, go to Payne Zipline Adventure, where you will zipline from one side of the mountain to the other, overlooking the beautiful green landscape. From there, go to the Payne Canyoneering Adventure. Canyoneering was definitely some of the most fun I've had my entire stay in the Philippines. I'm not exactly sure how long this course is, but it will definitely test your endurance. It could be a little scary at first, jumping off these cliffs into this beautiful blue water and not knowing how deep it goes. But don't worry, you'll have a life vest. Just live in the moment, have fun, and you'll be rewarded with an adventure that you'll never forget. Next up is Cebu Garden, also known as Little Amsterdam, because of the flower garden and the beautiful colors. Most people come here to take pictures with the giant hands, overlooking the beautiful natural landscape of the Philippines. Perfect for Instagram. Right up the road from Cebu Garden, about 15 minutes, is the Temple of Lea. The Temple of Lea has one of the best views in all of Cebu. Built in 2012, this Greek-style temple was built in the name of love. The Temple of Lea has been compared to the Taj Mahal in India because of its purpose and because of its grand gesture. Now that we've explored Cebu, it's time to get on the plane and fly over to Coron. Coron has some of the most bluest and clearest water you've ever seen in your life. Once you're settled in Coron, I suggest booking yourself a boat tour and going to Cayenne Lake, Twin Lagoons, and Barracuda Lake. To get to Cayenne Lake, you actually have to climb up and down a set of stairs. It's pretty secluded. Whenever you get to Twin Lagoons, I suggest just relaxing, enjoying the water and the scenery. If you booked a boat tour, you more than likely have lunch included. On our particular tour, we stopped by Demiglet Island, and our host prepared us a delicious meal. The next activity we're going to do in Coron is Mount Tapyas. I recommend doing this on a different day because the boat tours usually last all day. To get to the top of Mount Tapyas, you have to climb 700 stairs. This is one of those activities that will most definitely challenge your endurance. I recommend going in the evening so that you can catch the sunset. Now that we're done with Coron, we're going to head down to Nido. You can either fly or take a boat. We decided to take a boat this time. Now that we made it to Nido, we're going to rent a motorbike and go to Payne Beach. It's about a 45-minute ride. Payne Beach is without a doubt one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been to. If you decide to play in the ocean, just be careful because the waves are really strong. Next is Coron Cliff. If you start your climb early, you'll see the most beautiful sunrise you've ever seen. If you decide to climb Coron Cliff, just make sure you have a tour guide. Do not attempt this without one. After climbing Coron Cliff, go home and relax, and come back out later and go down to Las Cabanas Beach. Here you'll find an equally as beautiful sunset as you found sunrise. If you spend about 3 or 4 days in each location, Cebu, Coron, and Nido, you can do everything in this guide in about 10 days. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.